Hey, we're back at Guangbang Market, right? These are kind of cool. There's gotta be a grocery store here. I just got that bread for $2. I got a bagel, a garlic bread, and a cheese bread for like $2.50. We got some non-alcoholics at the GS25. We have all the chicken wings. We got 18 chicken wings and a beer for $16. But where is the grocery store? There's got to be a grocery store here. Where's the grocery store? We did make it through the metro before it closed to get from the other side of the train track. Here's a nice sports bar. I don't want to venture too far. Now I'm going in the opposite direction of my apartment. There's got to be a grocery store. There's got to be a grocery store. I just want some noodles, some chips, pizza pub. There was a pizza pub here the whole time. All right, maybe tomorrow night. Tonight's a Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Is this the metro? Flounder. Oh, look at him. Where did these ladies come from? Beer. I could have just came here the whole time. We already ate. Let's look at the menu though. It's all in Korean, but I presume these are pizzas. $15 pizza, $20 pizza, $4 wine. Let's see, $3 cocktails, $4 beers out of a measuring cup. Maybe tomorrow. I saw some people were coming from down here. Oh, what's this? Oh, is this the mall I just came from? Yeah, that's the mall I just came from. I don't think we want to do that. All right, I don't see a grocery store. Where are all the grocery stores? New York style pizza pub. Is that different? That one's even different. There was two pizza pubs right here. We just ate. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. is a special pitchers of beer. GS25. And then it thins out. KMGM Pub. All right. No grocery store. Yeah, that's it. All right, we're going back, but. At least we know there's a few places to go to. I shouldn't have I shouldn't have said that. Yeah. Big line over there. Beer whale. Where do these names come from? A bus that goes right in front. What's everyone waiting for? To cross the street? Or for beer whale? I think that's the line for beer whale. Okay, so where are we? We are Deer Young Post Tower 6th channel. But yeah, I mean, if you watch my videos of getting here at day 1, you saw how rough that area was. And then you get to a nice area like Deer Young Post Tower 6. And it just transforms. You thought America was block by block. You haven't seen anything until you've been to Asia. 1 second you're at the Prada, the next second you're getting mowed down by a gang of scooters in a tent hut. Yeah. A friend of mine said you have to be very careful with those. My American stomach might not be able to handle that. Those you have to be careful of. Oh, yeah, it's Valentine's Day. That's why. Okay. Let's see. $2.25 for some Valentine's Day chocolate. Let's see. $8, $6, $3 for a rose, a little chocolate rose with candies. A big lollipop for $7. Ferrero Rocher, $9. $2. Yeah, not bad. Haribo gummy bears, $3 for that. These are 2 of them. 2 of these for about $18. Was it wine? Chocolate? Or one of them for about $10. 2 of these giant things for 18. Okay. That seems really cheap, if you ask me. And aren't those international brands? So if they're shipping that chocolate to Korea and they're still selling it for $10, why is it $30 in America? America's closer to ship to. And it's the same chocolate. Ask yourself that. Why is it cheaper to buy a 6-pack of Budweiser in Korea when they have to ship it all the way to Korea? And they're still making a profit, otherwise they wouldn't ship it here. Ask yourself that. Oof. I don't think that's open. You know what I mean? Health Boy Gym. Little like concert stage, probably for the summer. Is this where we were? No, this is a different one. The Mario shopping complex. That one looks nice. Most of them look nice. Other ones are just, it's like the construction was never finished. I'm just saying it like it is, guys. I'm not here. I'm not being paid by any governments. I don't have any vested interest. I'm just saying, if I got one vacation per year and I came here, I'd be pretty upset. I would have been sold a lie. That's all. AI 5G Pro Max Unlimited Founder Edition. Limited time. That's all I'm trying to say. ride shares. There's a reason why you haven't seen a single person riding these things. You'd be killed if you ride one of these on these streets. This is a brave man. I would never risk it. All those rental bikes, I haven't seen one person use them. Bullet train. Right through the city, huh? Right through the city. Guys. A train right through the middle of the city.